Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we are here in Weatherford in my first, that's your first car show, right? First car show here, just enjoying the time. Enjoying the night, taking a look at the cars, the couple of cars out there, let me show you. La nena de ALEDO de Morningstar. That's a lot of things, you know. It's naturally aspirated, so it's badass. Badass.
Intercooler already.
That's the race size. So the largest you can get in here. So you got everything built from the bottom up. So 4 maps. The lowest is 1100. The highest one is like.
Bye, baby. No mercy or nothing. Have a good day.
Have a good night. Have a good night. Oh yeah. Oh, this is an electric car. Oh, that's an electric car? No, this is for the oh, this is for the thing. This is for the suspension. That's good.
On map 4, yeah. I overheard you talking. 18? Not yet.
That's 3.
That's 3?
Yeah.
I bet.
Yeah. It's a little bit more than 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than 2. Can you take me for a spin?
Later today, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Who built it?
That one was Jack's.
Jax.